Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Fredericks, board-certified entomologist with the National Pest Management Association. Chances are you or someone you know has had a less than pleasant encounter with stinging insects such as wasps, hornets, and fire ants. In fact, stinging insects send 500,000 people to the emergency room every year. While they're often associated with summertime, stinging insects are especially active during the second half of the summer and early fall when their colony populations are at their largest and most aggressive. Today, we're going to show you just how easy it is to accidentally disturb these pests and the not-so-friendly responses that could follow. Many types of stinging insects, such as yellow jackets, are social insects. This means they'll sting to protect themselves and the fellow members of their colony. They give off pheromones, which causes other members of the colony to react as well. On average, a yellow jacket colony can contain up to 4,000 workers. So even if by accident, disturbing these nests can cause a chaotic reaction that is far too dangerous for a homeowner to address on their own. Since yellow jackets don't lose their stinger, they can sting numerous times if they feel threatened.